Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to day 3 of our reveals for our box of the month for November. So the first day we made this card here, turned out really cute, and if you want to see how we did that, click on the video. It will be linked in the description box for you. On day 2 we made these cute little treat pockets. If you want to see this video, it's also linked in the description box. And today we're going to make some treat holders, and we are revealing our second paper pad and coordinating ephemera. This is called Sparkling Wishes, and it is a New Year's theme. We're going to go through this paper pad and ephemera before we create the project. So release date is on November 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. So we have beautiful patterns of, there's like roses in there, presents, 2023, there's a clock, some champagne, a nice black background with these gold stars, and then this nice stripe in the peach color. So I love the color combination here. We've got peaches, gold, blacks, and grays. Really, really pretty. Some fireworks there. Nice little print, a simple print. And then we've got the cluster here of just like flowers. We've got the 2023 with champagne glasses, balloons, and presents, and a nice black background. Here's another simpler print with the, it's like a cloudy sky with some fireworks and stars. Here's another pattern with over the stripes, those peach stripes. Now we've got some black and peach on white background. And this really pretty pattern here with the little fireworks and stars. Beautiful prints. Our paper is very nice quality. It's nice and thick. It's got a little bit of shine, but it's not too shiny. It's really nice. We've got a nice gold glitter ombre. This really nice grungy star background. And then our patterns will start repeating. Let's see, I think this is a new pattern here. So this really pretty pattern. This one I love. I love this one. It's got little splatters and little stars on there. Just gorgeous, gorgeous patterns. Here's a nice gray background. And then they do start to repeat. You get 2 of each design. And then let's go over the coordinating ephemera. You get some Mylar balloons, cute little star one. We've got some round or oval balloons in different patterns. Those really pretty floral clusters, the beautiful colors of golds, peaches, the clock. We've got some presents. We've got some little signs that say 2023. Some more Mylar balloons. And some florals. We've got some stars. Here's a 2023. Just little pieces from the floral cluster. There's a nice big clock. We've got champagne and wine glasses. A little cluster here with all the elements that you see. Here's another one. Really, really cute. Here's another big clock. Here's a cluster of the balloons and some presents and stars in different colors. We've got black ones, gold ones, and here's another 2023. Here's some more florals and other presents in different colors. And here's a couple of champagne glasses. Let's see, we've got one by itself and then one with the bottle. So we're gonna make this little treat bag. Super, super easy. You can purchase these little bags at your local craft store. They're so tiny. So this measures 4 down by 3 across. So you can use your 6 by 6 inch piece of paper twice to make 2 of these. So I had cut down this one, and we're gonna take those 2 patterns here and make another one. So this one measures the 3 by 4, and then I'm going to take the back side. So this one's a little bit different, and cut that down. So we'll glue that together. So simple. Just really fun to customize your own little treat bags. You can also make treat bags if you have like a die that makes treat bags for you. That would be really fun. We're also going to put together one of those punch board treat holders. And then this will just fit nice and perfect right on top. And you want to squish down the center right here as well as the ends. And I'll let that dry before I put on the other side, because when you do the other side, you're going to want to open it up. So these are cute to have on hand, even if you don't celebrate New Year's. I mean, we don't really do anything. We usually sit at home and fall asleep. But you can have little treats ready for anybody that comes over, or you want to give it to, you know, your mailman or something like that. These are really cute. Just fill them with candy or just a little, you know, something. A cute idea is you can give them to your partner and put a little sign on it that says midnight snack. Put a little treat in there for you guys, or maybe for the family. Do one for each one in the family. So I'm just going to give this a good push down. So we've got both of our sides there, really cute. And then make a cute little bow. I have some tulle eyelash trim and this gold ribbon. And I just put all 3 together. Took a little bit. And then we could hang a tag on here if we wanted to. I might do that tomorrow with the stamp set that I am revealing tomorrow. So make sure you come back tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time for another peek. And I'm just going to tie that really tight and then trim it down. I think it looks cuter when it's a lot shorter than this. We can just take it and then trim off the ends here. And I got a cute little tie. And then we have to put tissue in it. I think that makes it look really cute. So just put a little tissue in there. And they look so cute. So we could decorate the front if you want. I mean, leaving them like this, the paper is just pretty enough. But we can add some of the ephemera like that. So that looks pretty cute. We can pop it up or just put it flat down. I think I'm going to put the balloons flat and then pop up the sentiments or the numbers. So you'll probably have enough paper and ephemera to last you, you know, through this year, and then you'll probably have leftover for next year. So what I would do is use up the paper that has the 2023 on it and anything that has the 2023 on it on the ephemera. And then the leftovers you can use next year. We'll just pop this up. There it is. So cute, right? So we'll finish up this one. Now I could do this as the front, but I really like the numbers to be the front. I think my camera cut off a little bit short when I was showing the ephemera. Hopefully you got to see most of it. I'm going to use this one on here. And let's see, there's more balloons in here. Let me use this one. So as you can see, lots of fun ephemera. So I want to hear your ideas down in the comments down below. So what kind of projects do you think you would do with this collection? So this is what the it's called the Candy Box Punch Board looks like. And when you're done, it looks like this piece here. And then what I did is I'm cut out the panels, and it happens to be the 2 sheets left over from these little baggies were just enough to make these 4 panels, and this is all I have left over from the 6x6 paper pad. Isn't that amazing? A 6x6 sheet of paper. So I used 2 6x6 sheet of papers to make this one and the 2 bags. So after you follow all those instructions, I would put the panels on first. So I measured these panels to be 1.5 wide by 3 inches long. I believe I have this candy punch board listed in my Amazon store. I'll have the link in the description box if you don't already have this. But if you don't have the punch board, you might have some kind of candy box die that would also look really cute with this paper. Also, making like those rosette wands I think would be really cute. Just throwing out some different ideas. Okay, so we'll let that dry just a little bit. And you're gonna wanna add your glue to this side here. And then you just flip this over, line it up, let that dry a little bit before putting it together. Okay, so now we got our box. So now you're just gonna pinch the ends in like that, tie a little bow. So I'm gonna make the same bow. I do have an old tutorial on my channel, I'll try to find it, where I made the bottoms so you could stand these up. I thought that was a cool idea. Now before you tie up both ends, you're gonna wanna add your candy or whatever you wanna fill it with. And then figure out which side you want to be the front. Okay, so we got our little treat tied up. So cute. Now we can add a little bit of decoration to it if you want. Maybe I'll just put a little star on it or something like that. There we go, so cute. So we can fill that with candy. Okay, so now I have some really cute treat holders for New Year's. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Come back tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time for another peek. Take care, guys, and I'll see you then. Bye, guys.